The best way to enjoy persimmons is raw, because this way your body benefits the most of the minerals and vitamins they are packed with. Now I will show you one of my favorite ways to enjoy raw persimmons, and in this bowl I have 900 grams of fresh persimmon pulp, which I just extracted using my quick and easy way to extract pulp from ripe persimmons. By the way, I have a video about this. You can watch it if you are interested in saving some of your time. For this recipe, I only need 2 ingredients: the fresh persimmon pulp and cottage cheese. In this bowl, I have 300 grams of fresh cottage cheese. This one is 25% fat. No salt, no anything, just pure cottage cheese. What else I will need is powerful blender. What you do? You simply put the cottage cheese in the persimmon. The ratio is 1 to 3. You can try it like that, but you can also change the ratio the way you like it. This is the way I like it. 300 grams of cottage cheese, 900 grams of persimmon pulp, and you use the blender to mix them both. And we are ready. Blend both ingredients until you get that smooth texture. Your mixture is ready. Now you can just put it in the fridge in this bowl, or divide into portions and leave it in the fridge to cool for a few hours. This is just 2 ingredients recipe. I enjoy my persimmons like that, but you can add to this mixture vanilla or cinnamon if you like. I like it just like that, simple. Another way you can use this delicious mixture is to make raw cheesecake. To this mixture you simply add gelatin and you make your favorite cookie base. You pour this mixture on top and leave it in the fridge. After that you slice and you have one really delicious cheesecake. My mixture will now go in the fridge, and later in the day I will enjoy it. Hope my today's video inspired you to try this very easy and quick recipe at home, and to let me know in the comments section if you like it. This simple recipe is also gluten-free and low carb. Although persimmons are sweet, they are actually low in carbohydrates, so if you are after low carb diet, you can try this recipe at home. My channel Grow, Eat and Repeat is about homegrown fruits and veggies and simple way of cooking, so if you are interested, please subscribe to support my video content. Thank you.